my goodness. What's up guys, it's your girl Tashai and I'm back with another video. I just want to say welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I am back and I'm gonna start uploading regularly. All right, so today I am in Cape Cod and we are about to go to the beach. So stay tuned. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be notified each and every time I upload, just hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And here's Davia coming. And this is Skylar. And this is Piper. You gonna say hi, Piper? You gonna say hi?
Hi, guys.
So we are at the beach. So the twins are ready for the water. Who is this?
Skylar.
You ready? Let's see your bathing suit. Give me a twirl. Ooh, let me see. Who's that over there? Piper. You ready for the beach?
Yeah.
All set up.
Where's my bucket?
Sun's coming out a bit, so let's hope it stays out. Oh, the water probably cold. Okay, let's try the water. Oh, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's not bad.
Oh my god, it's so cold. What do you mean? It's so cold.
Look at this one. Ooh. Yeah. fun girl in me loves the beach. So we are about to order margaritas. So we ordered I think mango margaritas.
This is good.
So our drinks came and they are good. We moved because the sun was so hot and we got a cabana. Let's show y'all. This is the cabana.
I did the white one, Piper.
Chairs in the front and then we have two under here. So this is it. And I'm sitting right here. We are going on our boat ride.
Yeah.
You excited? Got it. You got it? So we going.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my I've been stuck on memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history.
You like that?
Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us.
We have some seals. Let's see if I can get it. Oh, look. Oh my goodness. This is amazing.
This is like the ocean.
Right? The ocean is amazing. Look. Oh my gosh. I think they're coming over here. You can see it. They're seals. It's a lot.
I just need to clear my head. 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 Can't focus, I can't forget.
Got a video on to driving.
She's a cat.